Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something incredibly exciting, how I mastered SQL in just 2 weeks, starting from scratch. If you've ever wondered if you can learn SQL quickly, or if you're just looking for a solid strategy to dive into database management, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. Let's start with the basics. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a powerful tool used to interact with databases, whether you're retrieving data, updating records, or managing database structures. I had zero experience with SQL before this, so how did I manage to get proficient in just 2 weeks? Week 1 was all about building a strong foundation. Here's how I approached it. Understanding the basics. I began by learning the fundamental concepts, databases, tables, rows, and columns. I watched introductory videos and read articles to grasp what SQL does and how it works. Setting up my environment. I chose PostgreSQL for practice because it's free, open source, and robust. I installed it on my machine and used pgadmin as my graphical interface. This setup was crucial for hands-on practice. Learning basic SQL commands. I focused on the core SQL commands: select, insert, update, and delete. I practiced writing queries to retrieve and manipulate data. Websites like W3 Schools and SQL Bolt were invaluable resources for this, practicing with sample databases. To get a feel for real-world scenarios, I worked with sample databases. I found sample databases online that helped me practice writing queries in a context that mimicked actual use cases. Week 2 was about advancing those skills and diving deeper. Learning advanced SQL concepts, I delved into more complex SQL features like join operations, subqueries, and aggregations. Understanding how to combine data from multiple tables and perform complex calculations was key. I also studied database normalization to ensure that my tables were well structured and free of redundancy. This included learning about primary keys, foreign keys, and relationships between tables. Then, I applied my knowledge by creating a small project. I designed a database for a fictional e-commerce site, including tables for users, products, orders, and reviews. This project helped solidify my understanding and gave me practical experience. Lastly, I explored performance tuning and optimization techniques to improve query efficiency. This involved learning about indexing and analyzing query execution plans. Now let me share some tips that helped me learn SQL quickly. Consistency is key. Practice every day. Even if it's just 30 minutes, consistent practice helps reinforce what you've learned and keeps you engaged. Use interactive platforms. Websites like LeetCode and HackerRank offer interactive SQL challenges that can be very effective for honing your skills. Join a community. Engage with online forums and communities. Platforms like Stack Overflow and Reddit can provide support and answer your queries. And finally, build real projects. Apply what you've learned to real-world scenarios. Building projects helps you understand practical applications and solidifies your knowledge. So to recap, week 1 was about building a foundation with basic concepts, setup, and practice with core SQL commands. Week 2 was about advancing to complex queries, database design, practical projects, and optimization. Remember, learning SQL or any new skill takes time and effort, but with the right approach, you can make significant progress in a short period. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to embark on your own SQL journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Drop any questions or your own SQL learning experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.